Hello everyone, this is Al-Hafiz and welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about speaking exam, part 3 for foundation students at the University of Technology and Applied Sciences. So let's get started. Speaking exam, part 3. Part 3, picture description, and this lasts from 2 to 3 minutes. In part 3, the examiner will give you a picture and you will talk about it for 1 minute. And before you talk, you will have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say, but you aren't allowed to make any notes. You can keep the picture with you during the speaking. Tips for speaking exam part 3. Number 1, use I can see to start describing the picture. For example, I can see a family in the picture. Number 2, there are. For example, there is a man and a woman. There are 2 children in the picture. So here you are going to use there is and there are to talk about information in the picture. Number 3, use the present continuous to describe actions taking place in the picture. For example, they are eating. While describing the picture, you need to answer the following questions. Who? We use who to talk about people. So if there are people in the picture, you are going to say, who are these people? Who are in the picture? People, children, man, woman, girl, or boy. For example, I can see a family in the picture. There is a man and a woman, and there are 2 children. Number 2, where? The place. Where are the people in the picture? Are they in the park? Are they on the beach? For example, they are sitting in the park. The family is on the beach. Number 3, what? Use what to talk about actions and things. What are they doing in the picture? Are they playing, swimming, eating, cooking, or making barbecue? So you are going to describe the action which is in the picture using the present continuous. So if they are making barbecue, so you can say they are making barbecue. For instance, the man and his wife are eating some dates and drinking coffee, and the children are playing. Number 4, clothes. What are they wearing in the picture? So you describe the clothes. For example, the man is wearing a blue t-shirt and jeans, and the woman is wearing a black abaya. Number 5, how old? What age? How old are they? Are they teenagers? Are they young? Are they old? Or are they kids? For example, I guess the man is in his 30s, but the woman is old. So if you see children, so here you talk about their age. If you see people, you can say they are young, old, 30s, mid-30s, 40s, okay, or young people. We use when to talk about time. When is this happening? What time of the day? Is it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or at night? Is it during weekdays or weekend? Which month? Which season or year? For example, they are having a picnic on the weekend. Also, they are eating in the morning. They are swimming in the evening. They are making barbecue at night. Another example, he is sitting on the beach at night. Number 7, we need to talk about the weather. How is the weather? Is it sunny, hot, cold, stormy, cool, or rainy? Example, the weather is sunny and nice. You can know the weather from the picture, from the clothes they wear. Number 8, feelings. How do they feel? Are they happy, sad, angry, or afraid in the picture? I think they are happy and excited because they are smiling in the picture. When you describe a picture, try to add as much information as you can and talk about the picture in detail. Part 3, picture description, and we said this lasts from 2 to 3 minutes. And this is what the examiner will say exactly in the speaking exam for part 3. So the examiner will say, now I am going to give you a picture and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 minute. Before you talk, you will have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. Do you understand? Here is your picture. And after 1 minute, the examiner will say, now remember, you have 1 minute for this. I will tell you when the time is up. Can you start speaking now, please? And after this, the examiner will let you speak for 1 minute. And after you finish speaking, so after the test taker finishes speaking, the examiner will say, thank you. Can I have the picture back, please? So remember here, after the examiner gives you the picture, you will have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say, so you need to arrange your ideas. And after the test taker finishes speaking, the examiner will say, thank you, can I have the picture back, please? That's the end of the speaking test. Thank you. This is what the examiner will say during the speaking exam in part 3. Now let's practice. Part 3, a busy road. Here is the picture, and I would like you to describe the picture. You have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say. All right, you can pause the video and write. Of course, in the exam, you're not going to write your notes, but here you can practice. Think, arrange your ideas, and practice the tips and the hints that we mentioned before, and describe it. After 1 minute, here is what you should say about this picture. So, as we said that you need to start with I can see. I can see in the picture, and this is good hint, a busy road full of people and vehicles. So you describe the whole scenario here. This is busy road, and this road is full of people, as you can see, and vehicles. And it is in the city. There are many shops also here to describe the shops. There are many people on the pavement in the morning. So this is the people, and here in the morning. So this is the part of the day. And some of them are waiting for the bus, because here, as you can see, these people and the bus is coming. Also, there are a few cyclists here. Some people are riding their bikes, waiting on the side of the road. They are waiting here on the side of the road. And one of them is talking to a man. This one is talking to this man. This man is wearing, we describe this man, is wearing a light yellow t-shirt and blue pants here, as you can see. There is a woman. There is a woman in her 30s here, in her 30s, the age, standing in the middle of the picture. Here, standing in the middle of the picture. And she's wearing, we talk about the clothes, a black skirt and a colorful blouse. I think she's waiting for the bus. So this is your idea about the woman. She's waiting for the bus. Moreover, there is a couple on the left of the picture. A couple means a husband and his wife. The man is wearing a white shirt. The man is wearing a white shirt and black trousers. And he's talking on the phone. This is the action. What is he doing? The woman is wearing a white dress. This woman is wearing a white dress. Here, we said it's summer. Why it's summer? Because people are wearing light clothes, as you can see, t-shirts, and have sleeves, shirts. It's summer and the weather is sunny. From the sun, you can notice this. So this is what we are going exactly to do when you describe your picture. So, and this is in part 3. So the 1 minute you collect ideas and arrange your ideas to talk about the picture. You talk about the place, what is exactly in the picture, the people, the clothes, the action, what are they doing, and the weather. And we said, when I say busy road, means everybody here is busy. So how do they feel? Okay. So this is exactly what you're going to say. So again, so here you are going to be provided with a picture like this, and you're asked to have 1 minute to think about what are you going to say, and then you are going to say like this. I can see in the picture a busy road full of people and vehicles in the city, and there are many shops. There are many people on the pavement in the morning, and some of them are waiting for the bus. Also, there are a few cyclists waiting on the side of the road, and one of them is talking to a man. This man is wearing a light yellow t-shirt and blue pants. There is a woman in her 30s standing in the middle of the picture, and she's wearing a black skirt and a colorful blouse. I think she's waiting for the bus too. Moreover, there is a couple on the left of the picture. The man is wearing a white shirt and black trousers, and he is talking on the phone. The woman is wearing a white dress. It's summer and the weather is sunny. All right, now let's have one more practice. Now it's your turn. Picture description. This is in part 3. Here. Now look at the picture, try to think, try to remember something of what we have mentioned, and try to pause the video for 1 minute and then speak for another minute. All right, so let's move to the other slide. Part 3, picture description, and also remember that this lasts from 2 to 3 minutes. 1 minute to think and 1 minute to speak. Now, look at this picture, pause the video for 1 minute, and then speak for another minute. And after this, try to check the answers here. Now, let's see. I can see in the picture a family sitting at a table with a red and white checkered tablecloth in the backyard of the house. They are eating their dinner in the evening. The weather is sunny. There are 4 people in the family. There is a mother, father, and 2 children. The mother is making the sandwiches for her kids. There are some cheese sandwiches on the table. Also, there is juice and fruit on the table. The mother is wearing a blue and white striped t-shirt. She has long blonde hair. The father is wearing a red and blue checkered shirt. He has short brown hair. The boy is wearing a red and white striped shirt. He has blonde hair. The girl is wearing a white dress and a red jacket. She has long blonde hair. They are talking and looking at each other while eating. They are happy. So you are going to describe everything. What can you see in the picture? What are they doing? Where are they? How many people are there? How do they feel? How do they look like? Everything in detail. And don't forget to talk about the weather. All right? Now it's your turn to practice. Describe the picture. Pause the video for 1 minute. Arrange your ideas. Think about what you're going to say, and then say it. Now describe the picture. Another example. Part 3, describe the picture. So you have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say. So pause the video for 1 minute and speak for another minute to describe the picture. Here another one. Describe the picture. Pause the video for 1 minute. Think about what you're going to say, and then speak for 1 minute. You can record yourself and then listen to your recording. Part 3, describe the picture. Here, look at the picture. And you have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say. So pause the video for a minute. Think about what you're going to say, and then speak for 1 minute. Here a picture of classroom. Again, look at the picture. Think about what you're going to say for a minute, and then speak for a minute. Okay, look at the picture. You have 1 minute for this. Think about what you're going to say, and then speak for 1 minute. Now remember to subscribe to my channel. As I just mentioned, that in a speaking exam, part 3, you will be provided with a picture and you are asked to describe the picture for a minute. You are going to think about what you're going to say for a minute, and then you are going to speak for another minute. And we said that part 3 lasts from 2 to 3 minutes. So I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. See you